To the left of the image, there is a set of applications we can use. In this case, we'll use ZOI with this image. ZOI is an application that facilitates antimicrobial testing by automatically measuring the zones where bacteria do not grow on Petri dishes. To use it, click on the application. In the window that opens, you'll see ZOI's settings and the compatible image formats. In my case, I'm using a JPG image, so I can use the application without issues. From this window, we can also adjust the diameter on the Petri dish we are using by selecting one from the list or entering a custom measurement. Once configured, click Analyze. The processing will start, and in just a couple of seconds, we'll have the result. When the analysis finishes, click on the notification, and the resulting image will automatically open. This will be stored in the same folder as the original image. In this case, within the ZOI folder, which is inside my folders. If we go to the toolbar above the image, we can download the result to our device without any issues. You'll notice a QR code has been added to the downloaded image. By scanning this code, you can open the image automatically within CarbConnect. Keep in mind that you can only view the image if you have access to it. Later in this tutorial, we'll see how to grant access and share images with our colleagues.